Hi there! In this episode of the Learn SAP in 5 Minutes series, we will see together how to create a variant. Here we are in the transaction code IW38, which will help us to change maintenance order in a list format. So once we will click on this execute button, we will get a list of plant maintenance orders on which we will be able to make modifications. But first, this is the selection screen with all the selection fields, for example, order, order type, functional location, equipment, and so on. The user will have the possibility to filter the maintenance order list according to all of these fields here, which are present in the selection screen, in order to make a list as little as possible. Let's suppose that a specific user would like to see maintenance orders dedicated to a specific main work center. So we will select here on this field the specific work center on which the user would like to see the assigned maintenance orders. Let's select, for example, the gen_main for maintenance general work center, and we will not specify any period here, and we will execute the transaction. We can see that we have here a result of 3 different maintenance orders. All of these orders will have the main work centers as general maintenance, as you can see here. So if the user would like to access each time to all the maintenance orders with this specific work center, the creation of a variant will be necessary. In order to do that, it's really simple. You will have first to fulfill all the required fields, for example here the main work center, and to click here on Go to Variants, Save as Variant. Firstly, you will have to enter a name of your variant. A little tip here: if you would like that your variant will be automatically uploaded once you will start the transaction, then you will have to give it a specific name, which is you underscore your SAP username. Let me interrupt you 5 seconds. If you are interested in our content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell in order to be notified each time we will publish a new training video in SAP. And with that, SAP will upload directly the variant which is assigned to your user once you will execute the transaction. Otherwise, you will have to select it manually each time. And then you can just give a little description to your variant. You also have here on the screen the part Objects for Selection screen, which will help you to manage the different fields within the selection screen. For example, here in this table, you will recover all the fields we get firstly once we started the transaction code IW38. And for each of these fields, you can protect the field, you can hide the field if it's not required for the user. You can also make the field as mandatory. So you can, by checking this box, the field will be required, so mandatory. But the thing also which is really important and interesting is that for variable data such as date, you will be able to set a dynamic value. For example, here for the from date field, you can say, for example, I would like to see the maintenance orders from today, and each time you will execute the transaction, SAP will recover the today's date of your PC. So you will not have to change it manually. it will be dynamic. Once all the configuration done, then you will just have to click on the Save button in order to create your variant. So I will use the Save button, and then SAP will give us the information message that our variant is now saved and created. We are back here in the main screen of SAP, the main menu, and I will execute the transaction code IW38 to check if SAP will load our variant automatically as we get the specific name u underscore my SAP username. And once I will press enter, normally the specific field main work center should have been uploaded or changed automatically with the variant. So I will press enter, and you can see that the main work center field has been fulfilled automatically thanks to the variant. So I can directly click on the execute button and it will save me time. If you would like to get the variant manually, you will just have to click on go to variant get. And then here you will be able to see all the different variants available for this specific transaction. By double clicking on one entry here, the variant will be loaded in your specific screen, the selection screen. This was how to create a variant in SAP. Thanks to you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you like our content and to visit our website to know more about SAP. See you soon!